Now our idiot dogs, they're way better inside. They lay everywhere. Like old bag Annie. Big old bag. Hi Annie. Hi Annie. Oh Annie. Annie. You got Buster over here. Oh yay! 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 Old Buck. Old Buck is over here. The old Dum Dum. Big Nose. Horseface. He's got a lot of names. Horseface! Horseface! Big old fat Buster Clown. So we got Otis right here, and the other dope is in the kitchen drinking water. Hey Dum Dum. You a Dum Dum. You Dum Dum. You Dum Dum. You big Dum Dum. Dum Dum. What the hell is that? What is that? Check out that picture over there. Ah, this fucker. He's angry. Very angry. Ooh. He attacks. Like every party that walks by. The dogs leave him alone because he bites them. Hello, Larek. How you doing? Are you doing good today? Yeah? Oh. Really? Hello, Larek. I think I'm gonna corner you. You get all angry. Hi, Larek. Hi, Larek. Oh, he's biting. No, he's alright. He's alright sometimes. Larek. He is a friend of mine. I will belt him anytime. Good old Larek. You okay? Are you chewing on that door right there? Are you chewing on that door? Yeah? Yeah? Oh, Larek. Now the worst one is this one. Drum. A demon bird. I think we gotta go inside. Oh, he knows they're coming in. Oh, he's got a big hole to escape. He knows how to get out. But he never leaves. Why won't he just leave? Hi, Buddy. That's his name, folks. Buddy. What the hell? What are you looking at? You want to go in here and eat him? Is that what you want to do? I think you do. I'll put you in here. You can eat him. But I'm sure he'll eat you first. Buddy, 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 buddy. There's one little trick Buddy does. Oh, he's coming down to eat him. He's gonna come down and go in the cage and eat him. I know. I've seen it happen. He ate the last one. Buddy Zero. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Buddy. Hi, pretty bird. So you're safe from the cage door closed. Hi, buddy. Be honest, folks, I've never seen him stand on this edge of the cage. Hi, buddy. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Aw, little buddy. That pretty bird. I don't know what it is. Something different with him today. He's normally not this nice. Normally he's angry. Or I can make him angry. Aw, I'm scaring him. Sorry, buddy.
Shoot up their motherfucking feet.
Who the hell's that old bastard? We'll go meet him in a second. Do. Say bye, buddy. Bye, buddy. Bye, buddy.
Make it up.
Bye, bye, birdie, buddy.